Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making lazy ice cream. What is this lazy ice cream about? This video has been shot in Realme GT6T and edited in YouTube Create. Watch till the end to know about how it has been made. We start by boiling full fat milk and reduce it by 50%, and then we proceed to the recipe. For this we need cherry, out of which we'll be making cherry compote. For that we need to slit the cherries and de-seed the seeds out of it. These seeds we'll discard and use the cherry in our recipe. We will cook the cherries with adding sugar and water. We need to cook it till it gets soft and it thickens. Look at the beautiful color. Add a little lemon juice so that it does not crystallize. And also a pinch of salt. That enhances the taste of the cherry compote. It's ready. Now we will allow it to cool so that when we use it in our recipe, it is chilled. We'll use a cling wrap so that it is easier to demold the ice cream. First, I'll be making a sandwich ice cream. For this, I have taken oats cookies and we will crush it in the mold itself. 1 cookies each, and you see how the process is done. Now we start by adding fresh cream to the chilled milk which we had reduced by 50% earlier, and we will whip it. We'll add powdered sugar to it and blend it properly. This process saves time and effort. Instead of whipping for a longer time, I just did a shortcut by blending it. Add the chilled cherry compote into it by making a layer over it. Add the blended milk. Now we'll add the crushed cookies. This will make a layer on the top and the bottom as well, and the taste would be amazing. There is a layer of cherries and the whipped milk, and top and bottom layer is cookies. So it is called a sandwich ice cream. This time we'll be making a plain ice cream. In this we are adding the whipped milk and we'll be adding cherries to it. No additional things will be added to it and it will look beautiful when you eat them. You will have red cherries in between and the flavor of cherries will melt in your mouth. Now we'll be adding the cherries in the bottom of the ice cream to give a good layer, and it will look beautiful when you overturn it after it is frozen. The beautiful red cherry color is amazing to look and delicious to taste. We'll top it with the whipped milk which we had at hand, and we'll be adding more cherries to it so that it forms a good layer. A little shading can be added by adding more cherry syrup over the ice cream. Patterns can be created. Mine dipped inside so a faint pattern can be visible after being frozen. We will fully cover it with a cling film and keep it frozen for around 8 hours. After that we can take it out and we will remove it from the cling film and demold it. You can see the patterns, how it looks after it has been demolded. They both look amazing and beautiful and they are delicious too. They both will taste different. In spite we have not added any additional color and essence, they are amazing to taste. Now comes our laziest ice cream. Once the star ingredient reveals its texture and looks, you will be amazed. Once we remove from the cling film, see how it looks. The star cherry ice cream is amazing. Wow, what a beautiful color. This cherry ice cream has no added color or essence and is naturally made, as you have seen. Fresh cream has been used and it tastes amazing. It's really delicious and looks good, and this is how I prepared the lazy ice cream. I was quite lazy about whipping the cream, and that is how it is called lazy ice cream. Presentation is in your hand and you can do it as you like it. You can decorate it with any kind of topping which you wish. Rose syrup goes well with it. Enjoy this lazy ice cream and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Thanks for watching.